should do that.
Heading out for an appointment in the city. We just started randomly discussing the topic of cheap food versus expensive food, and this is mainly only because we have leftover pizzas for lunch. So this food was cheap, tasted great, didn't really have any side effects, but for some reason, just because it was cheap, now we're questioning everything that goes into it. Pizza related problem is a really big issue, and we gotta find out an answer. This is what the vlog is about today. That's my phone. It can do this amazing thing where, well, that happens. This controller, you pop on that device, and then your friend calls you and then you gotta take the call. Hey mate. Left off was pizza.
Cheap food we don't trust, expensive food we just don't trust because there are a lot of things happening.
So that is a problem of trust now. Now, by the way, just to give you context, all of this psychological confusion for us, the whole last 3 hours, has been mainly about lunch. So clearly this is some like real confusion as to what's good for you. We aren't too sure like if the cheap stuff that we buy has really bad impacts on us, or is it just the quality is already good enough that you don't care, or the expensive stuff that we buy is actually kind of good for you. Our option number 3, is there any kind of correlation between the price and the quality? And is it all just a marketing gimmick? Like, anyways, all of that's confusing. So what we're gonna do right now is go for lunch. But before that, we're gonna buy the new hot and spicy KFC just to, you know, do a little more sampling. Okay, bye.